Hey, welcome to my channel, Happily G. My name is Gabrielle and welcome. If you are new, I invite you to subscribe. If you are coming back, thank you so much. And I just am so excited to share this video with you. It is actually a tip that I was referenced by one of my subscribers, which is Mrsemptynester. I will link her video below, but this is my before and after of what this did to my toilets. And I know that everyone wants a nice sparkling toilet. So this transformation literally makes my toilets feel like I'm at a hotel or somewhere that is luxurious, because this toilet, both of my guest toilet and my master bathroom toilet, were not giving me the vibes of a pretty environment. I honestly want to care for my home, and I hope that you are inspired to try this method at home and that it works for you, because her video inspired me and this video I hope inspires you. The items I used were the pumice stone, and I actually picked this pumice stone from Walmart. And the next item I picked up was the works, and that was actually from Dollar General. The Dollar General was the only store I could find that carried the works product. It had the 99% to work on this toilet, and other places like Dollar Tree, they had the works but not this specific item. And the Home Depot's in my area, they didn't carry this, so I just wanted to make sure I was following her video to the exact item. So that's why I picked up this one, and it was only $1.98 plus tax.
I just took it out of the box and it has this plastic around it. I just wanted to show you. Have my gloves. This is how it looks. So she said to soak it and use it when it's wet. So I'm going to do that.
My hands and skin are very sensitive to a lot of the chemicals that are cleaning solutions. So I am really adamant about using gloves when I clean. It was very strong, so make sure you are ventilating the area that you are working in. And also I had the fan on. This is just my suggestion because it is pretty strong and potent.
So I just turned off my fan, but here is how it looks. And I even did right here the sides because the water splashes up there.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you are able to get your bathroom sparkling clean, and I hope that you stick around. And if you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, because it really does help me out. I am wanting to just provide some useful information and helpful tips for you guys as I'm learning, and I want to inspire y'all. This video was originally from Mrsemptynester. I will link that below, and definitely check that video out because she shows her toilet transformation, and I just wanted to let her know that it worked. And like, thank you for sharing the video because I really appreciate it. My toilets are sparkling clean, so thank you so much. If you're not subscribed to her already, definitely subscribe to her channel. I will link that below. And thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, bye y'all.